Alright, so as y'all see, I already got started with my brows and I prepped my eyes. I'm about to go into the Fall into Fabulous palette. I'm gonna be using this shade right here. Working this in my crease. And since this is more of a natural beat, I don't like doing much on the eyes. I like using one nice transition color and just going by my day. The One Size primer, this is the Secure the Sweat primer. And it went my absolute favorite foundation. If y'all are old on this channel, y'all know like this is my favorite. But I'm running out, so I'm having to open the top of it. By the way, happy Thanksgiving. Today is Thanksgiving, and yeah, your girl's getting cute for the pictures because y'all know I'm gonna take pictures. Blend that out. And this foundation is perfect for any look you're trying to do. If you're trying to do a natural makeup look, this is perfect. A full-on glam, even better. I feel like on camera it looks way more like yellow than what it actually is. And if you really want your makeup to look natural, you can honestly skip this step I just did. Like doing the top of my brows, you can skip that. It just gives it a more sharp brow, and when brows look sharp, they don't look natural. So yeah, you could skip this step, but I don't know, like I like a natural beat, but I also like my brows to be on fleek. Oh, I haven't said on fleek in a minute. That is so 2016. Like, ugh. I was 16 in 2016, okay? I had the best time of my life. Next, I'll be contouring with this bronzer by Fenty Beauty. Why did I forget this bronzer? This is the 07 Cocoa and Cocoa Naughty, the Sunstalker. Where's my mind at today? But I'm just gonna dab that into the skin. And when you're doing a natural beat, you don't want to use a liquid, because a liquid is just going to make it a little thicker, and on top of that, if you do a liquid and a powder, it's just going to make it more full glam. So and you kind of want to get in the corner of your eye so that kind of blends together really nice, like right there. My nose, and I'm just gonna go down the bridge of my nose into the corner of my eye. It's time to conceal, and I love a bright under eye. I'm gonna blend that out with my beauty blender. And I'll probably be using beauty blenders until I'm about 50 years old, 60 girl. Like, I love me a beauty blender. Kind of want to dab with the blending. You don't want to like Like, that's all you can do with a beauty blender is dab. You can't like sweep it on your face, I feel like I don't know, I guess there is people who would sweep it, but I just like doing dabbing motions. Actually, the sweeping isn't bad. Hold on, girl. I feel like Michael Jackson. Hold on, girl. Or come on, girl. Whatever he said. But, hold on. This actually isn't bad, especially by the nose area. Makeup is truly art. This is art. So now I'm going to set this under eye with one size loose powder. And you want to first press it in your skin, then bake. I'm going to bake under the eye. I have really bad smile lines, and I seen this hack on TikTok, so yeah. I'm going back in with that Fenty bronzer, and I'm just gonna touch up my contour. Now I'm gonna line my lips by Whirl. Now I'm going in with Platinum, my absolute favorite. With the Lawless lip gloss. You can skip this step too, but I love to clean my lips. I don't like a messy lip. Now we're just gonna wipe this powder from under the eye. With just a little blush. This is like a blush illuminator, so it's gonna give me that natural glow. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of that eyeshadow underneath my eye, just so it's not so white underneath, like. So this is the finished look. What do y'all think? I'm absolutely in love with this natural glam. It is so easy, so quick. It literally only takes me like 20 minutes, if that. I've been loving this natural glam. It's so easy, so beautiful, simple, flawless. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Also, let me know what videos y'all want to see. I was thinking about doing some story times because, girl, I got some juicy story time. I have a birthday vlog coming up pretty soon, so stay on the lookout. That is it for today's video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn on my post notifications so y'all know when I have another video up. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see y'all next time. Mwah.